click to see what Mr. Splash Plumbing is all about. So I wonder. Maybe I'll show you my professional and friendly team. Maybe I'll show you our rapid response time. Maybe we can show off how fast we get the job done. Maybe it's our transparency. Not that kind of transparency. Maybe it's our upfront and honest pricing with our clients. Maybe we can show you what we give back to our customers. Very tangible, how to do videos for your knowledge. So here we have here today, direct access into the sewer line for future blockage issues. Or I can show you what our customers think of us with our impressive 5-star Google review ratings. Or to find out more, give us a call today.